Welcome to 7470 Roblar Road. We're excited to show you the 78-acre property tucked down a private lane here in the countryside of Sonoma County.
With 360 panoramic views, this versatile property offers a rare combination of privacy, natural resources, and limitless potential.
I'm Kelsey Sage.
And I'm Kristine Daniels,
and we're with Poppy Real Estate.
Just behind the home sits a full acre of terraced irrigated land ready for your vision, whether that's a private vineyard, an orchard, a market garden, or simply a beautiful landscape to call your own.
Water is everything on this land, and this property delivers. 2 wells and multiple natural springs ensure you'll have the resources to support whatever you choose to build and grow here. The crown jewel of this property is a stunning hilltop build site, already perked for an 8-bedroom plus home, surrounded by unobstructed views in every direction. This is the kind of setting most people only dream about building on.
For those who work with their hands, run equipment, or simply need some serious storage, there's an industrial-sized garage ready to handle it all. 78 acres, 2 parcels, and 360 panoramic views. This is 7470 Roblar Road. Views like this come once in a lifetime. Come see for yourself.